plastic welder. That's what we're going to do today. As you can probably hear, my voice is absolutely done in. I was out on the drink last night, so I don't think that's helped either. So you know how that goes. So what we're going to try and fix, to the untrained eye, it looks fine, doesn't it? But it's not. Look, it's broke. There. So need the plastic welder back together. And here it is, as it says, plastic welding gun. Get some pieces with it. There's instructions I'm probably not going to read. So let's just get straight to it. So I think this is what we'll go for. Comes with different little bits. That one, that one, that one. The one I'm going to use is that one. So I'm going to stick it straight on. Obviously, I've not read the instructions, but I'm just going to go straight for it. Oh no. Well, would you look at that? So you do just press the trigger. Snip them off. We're not out of the water yet though, kids. Still got a fracture there. Load her up. As you can see, there's still a little fracture there. I think if I get the gun in sideways, I'll sort that little bit out. It's not the best, but that's in pretty strong now, you know. I'm pretty impressed with that, to be fair. It worked a lot better than I thought. I've just filed those little bits down so it's not sharp, but I'm happy with that. Yes.